As you start this course, I just want to draw your attention to a resource that I've put together for you. It's a list of all of the free SEO tools that you're going to learn how to use in this course. To access it, you can just click up to the resources section here and click on the link. This list, I actually put it together based on a suggestion from a student, and I include in which lecture each of these tools appear. I've also broken it down into different sections. So these are all the tools for keyword research that you're going to learn how to use. Also to optimize your content for SEO. All of the link building tools that you're going to learn how to use. And then finally, the tools for SEO analysis. If you have a website, you can go ahead and use these right now to find out your SEO score. And you can have a look at lecture 33 if you want to get specific directions on those. So a lot of students find this helpful. You can see everybody logged in here using it now. I keep this up to date. If I change any tools in the lectures or find better tools, I always update them here. So I suggest that you bookmark this page and also keep it open as you go through the course, because I have links to all of the tools mentioned, so it'll just help you get there faster. So I hope you enjoy this list and find it useful.